This section on best fit curves, this is the section where you will need to have Excel downloaded onto your device. The web version, the Office 365 online, it doesn't have all of this functionality, so you need to get it downloaded onto your device. You can do that for free through the UVU Student tab. We have the following data. Okay, if you're careful, keep your cursor within the limits of that table, and then do a Control-C copy and Control-V for paste. And you should be able to bring it in a table. If not, there's not too much data, you could retype it. Use Excel to find a linear trend line for this data. Okay, so the first step is to get it graphed. When you graph it, use these separate dots right here. Just a regular scatter plot. Okay, now you want to add a chart element. On a PC, you should have this plus sign. On a Mac, if the chart is active, you should have add a chart element here, or you can go to your chart tools. I think you'll see. Add a chart element, a trend line. If you don't see this trend line option, that means that you're using the web version. You have to have the downloaded version. Then go to more options. It will default to linear, which is what we wanted. There's the trend line. And if you scroll down, click this box to display the equation on the chart. And from the Home tab, you could make the font bigger. Okay, the trend line will be, let me just go in here, copy and paste. It's already got the y and the equals, so don't copy that part in. So we know the exact value for y was 32, but what would be predicted by this equation? So I'm just going to add a formula right here. This will be predicted, and it's equal to 8 times the x value plus 8.8. And I can copy that down. The model would have predicted 32.8 and 56.8 for 981, 80.8, excuse me, for 12. And I think the question is, why are we using predicted values if we've already got the data here? Well, the point of this is to see how close our model is to the actual values, because eventually we're going to want to say, what about an x value of 4? What would that be? And our model can tell us a prediction, and seeing how close the predicted values are to the actual y values gives us some confidence in the model.